And we are back again. It's time for the third piece of our exploration into TDA. We're gonna go right into the packaged. Boop. Oh, going backwards there. There you go. And now we're gonna mess around with the clip slot operator. So same thing, just copy it, pull back out into our network. All right, let's look at these parameters. Choose a track. And for this one, we're actually gonna go with a vocal track that I have in my live set. It's 11 best Fox vocals, so look for that. Boom, there it is. Let's see what we got here. And just to make sure that we're mapped to the right track, because that solo should actually not be activated. You're just gonna make sure we're in runtime. Otherwise our data isn't updating, right? Okay, yeah, it's soloing the right track. Or mute on, yeah, track activator, yeah. Ableton slot clip. Now it does. So, of course, although this is labeled as 1, it is your 0 slot, given that macros are the same, they start at 0. So, pause that there. Okay, Ableton level. So, you know what we're actually going to do here, which is going to be cool, is we're going to use our Ableton level to start mapping our parameters for our visuals. And now, I mean, we could essentially not even look at Ableton and start just launching from here. And we'll go ahead and hit tab. And bring in a noise top. And we'll take this to the harmonic grain. Chop reference. So yeah, I think that covers the majority of how you can go about taking specific parameters from your Ableton or your TouchDesigner project and either feeding into Ableton to get an effect on your racks, or taking something as simple as audio and automating a visual with it. Thank you so much for your time in checking this out. I hope there was something for you to learn and that they were useful. And well, my channel's here. Feel free to join. There will be a lot more of this coming through. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.